pag-uusapan ngayon. Hmm. Ang isang kumpanya ay mapapatunayan mong legit at hindi fly-by-night kung ito ay may mga permits and licenses tulad ng DTI, business clearance, barangay business clearance, license to operate, LTO, as a food trader at halal. Ang F2N, Fortune Marketing Company, ay kompleto nito. Okay. So, F2N Fortune Marketing Awards received. F2N Fortune Marketing was born on December 6, 2016. So, bago mag-anniversary ng first year anniversary, the following year, naka-receive ang Pia Brahma Superfood mula sa 10th Golden Peacock World Class Excellence 2017 awardee as Pia Brahma Best Formulated Health Organic Product. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, maganda ang ating produkto, no? Kasi wala pang 1 year, meron ng mga award na nakukuha. Nakikilala na siya. And then on October 14, the same day, the same year, yung ating magandang CEO President na si Ma'am Benilda Vinuya ay naging awardee rin ng 10th Golden Peacock World Class Achiever as Outstanding Phil-Asian Lady Entrepreneur. The following year, which is 2018, on October 20, Best Choice Award, 2018 awardee, ang Pia Brahma as Most Trusted Natural Immunity Booster, Beverage, and Superfood. Sumunod na taon, meron pa rin. On July 20, 2019, at the 35th Seal of Excellence 2019 Awards, 2019 Gold Seal of Quality awardee as Theobroma Superfood, Most Trusted Natural Food Supplement. Then, July 20, 2019 din, Gold Seal Quality 2019 awardee as Most Trusted Natural Food Supplement in recognition of corporate product excellence based on its features and quality and general consumers' acceptability. Ayan, natanggap na ng maganda ang pagka-receive ng sambayanan sa ating produkto, no? Kaya nabibigyan siya ng mga awards. And then, November 25, 2019, Philippine Best Magazine Certificate of Award was given to F2N Fortune Marketing was chosen as one of the outstanding product, services, and companies in the country. Ayan. Pero hindi lang sa Pilipinas ngayon yan, kundi marami na tayong mga distributors and members sa iba't ibang bansa tulad ng Hawaii, Canada, United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, Israel, Hong Kong, at Singapore. Ayan. So, pag-usapan natin ang kanyang history. Sa panahon ng mga sinaunang tao mula sa Mesoamerican region, nagsimula ang pagtatanim ng Roma cacao at naipakilala rin ito sa Spanish Royal Court noong kalagitnaang taon ng 1550s. Naging kapaki-pakinabang ang Roma cacao sa kultura ng Mesoamerican. Ginagamit ito bilang panlunas sa kanilang mga karamdaman at pangkalusugan. At ginagamit din ito tulad ng pera na pangbili ng kanilang kailangan sa araw-araw. More than 100 medicinal uses of cocoa have been documented in Europe and Spain. Noong taong 1778, una nagkaroon ng tanim ng kokoa sa Malacca, Malaysia. Ginagamit nila ito bilang panlunas sa anemia, mental fatigue, tuberculosis, lagnat, gout, kidney stone at maging sa problemang sexual ng mag-asawa. Natuklasan din na ang cocoa ay nagtataglay ng napakaraming phytochemical at physiological active compounds. Okay, here are some cacao health benefits that you might not know. Number one, cacao is a nutrient-dense superfood. Ibig sabihin, puno ng nutrient ang ating cacao. So, cacao powder is classified as a superfood because it provides many of the essential nutrients that our body requires to perform at its peak. It's an especially rich source of B vitamins, which not only have a direct impact on your energy levels, brain function, and cell metabolism, but they also help prevent infections and support the health of your cells. Cacao is also a source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that reduces free radical damage and slows the aging process of your cells, as well as vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production, iron absorption, healthy immune function, wound healing, and maintaining strong teeth and bones. There is also an impressive list of essential minerals found in cacao, including magnesium, calcium, sulfur, zinc, iron, copper, potassium, at manganese. Let's take a look at how some of these minerals contribute to health benefits of cacao powder. Magnesium can also help relieve muscle tension and menstrual cramps sa mga kababaihan. Number two, cacao is good source of magnesium. Every cell in your body requires magnesium to function, and it's necessary for calcium absorption, energy metabolism, protein synthesis, and healthy physiological function, as well as strong teeth and bones. As cacao is one of the best sources of magnesium, it's easy to up your magnesium intake by using cacao powder as a delicious ingredient in healthy desserts and smoothies. Not only is eating magnesium-rich food a natural way to increase your energy, calm your nerves, and improve your mood, but magnesium can also help relieve muscle tension and menstrual cramps. Cacao contains manganese and iron for healthy blood. Manganese is another essential mineral that contributes to health benefits of cacao powder, and it helps us metabolize amino acid, glucose, cholesterol, and carbohydrates. It also supports normal blood clotting, bone formation, the oxygenation of blood, and the reduction of inflammation. Cacao is also a source of iron, which is essential for immune system function, energy production, enzyme reactions, and healthy metabolic function. Iron deficiencies are very common, especially in young women, and the telltale symptoms include mental and physical exhaustion. As iron produces both hemoglobin and myoglobin, it plays a vital role in forming and oxygenating, your blood cells. Since we also need iron to convert food into energy and support our cognitive function. It's no wonder that people with an iron deficiency feel so tired. Cacao powder is such a fantastic superfood because it contains both iron and vitamin C necessary for iron absorption. Number four, cacao is one of the world's best source of antioxidants. Antioxidants are molecules that fight harmful free radicals in the body. And the potency of different antioxidant-rich food is measured by their oxygen radical absorbance capacity or yung tinatawag nating ORAC. With an extremely high ORAC score, cacao is considered a super antioxidant, meaning it's especially effective in slowing the oxidative processes and the free radical damage that can contribute to age-related degeneration. Not only does a high antioxidant diet help to protect the heart and prevent cellular damage, but antioxidant-rich foods also boost collagen production for radiant, healthy-looking skin. Number five, cacao's fiber content support a healthy gut. Yung ating intestine, yung ating digestive system. Did you know that cacao contains both soluble and insoluble fiber, which together improve digestive function, gut health, and bowel regularity? Not only does adding fiber-rich cacao to your meals stimulate your digestive enzyme and help you feel fully for longer, but fiber-rich diet and good gut health may assist with healthy weight management. The flavonoids in cacao have also been shown to increase probiotic activity, while the polyphenols in cacao have probiotic properties. In other words, the compounds in cacao feed and stimulate the body bacteria that live in your gut. Cacao has a high electrolyte content that can help maintain a healthy balance of fluids in the body. Cacao is a rich source of electrolytes. Many of the automatic processes in the body rely on a small electrical current provided by electrolytes, such as calcium, potassium, and magnesium. These and other minerals conduct electricity when dissolved in water, interacting with each other and with cells in tissues, nerves, and muscles. A good source of calcium, magnesium, and potassium, cacao has high electrolyte content that can help maintain a healthy balance of fluids in the body. Electrolytes are not only crucial for stable blood pressure, but they also support muscle recovery and neurological function. As we lose these electrolytes through our sweat when we exercise, it's important to replace them with a post-workout snack or smoothie. Number seven, cacao contains oleic acid. Cacao contains monosaturated omega-9 fatty acid known as oleic acid. This healthy fat is needed for healthy cell membranes, but is also a major source of energy for your cells and is important for fighting pathogens, transporting minerals, and responding to hormones. Studies show that diets rich in monosaturated fats may also improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation throughout the body. Number eight, cacao contains theobromine. Also found in tea leaves, theobromine is closely related to caffeine, but has a much milder impact on the central nervous system, providing a sustained natural energy boost. This natural compound is unlikely to leave you feeling jittery like caffeine does. In addition to supporting cognition, the theobromine may also improve sleep quality, lower blood pressure, and enhances lung function. It also has tons of antioxidants, antibacterial properties, and is even considered by some to be an aphrodisiac. This easy hot chocolate made with all the health benefits of cacao powder is an excellent alternative to coffee. Cacao has many natural feel-good compounds. The potent natural compounds found in cacao may have many positive effects on stress levels, inflammation, memory, and the immune system. There are also a large number of studies that examine the link between the bioactive compounds in cacao and our mental well-being. Many cacao's natural compounds have been shown to enhance mood and create feelings of euphoria. Some of the feel-good compounds include tryptophan, an amino acid and natural antidepressant that helps us produce serotonin, the neurotransmitter that improves our mood, sleep, digestion, memory, and stress levels. Phenylethylamine, known as love chemical. PEA is an adrenal chemical created by the brain and released when we are in love. It also stimulates the nervous system to release endorphins, improve mental acuity, and elevate mood, metabolism, and memory. So these are our F2N products. We have food supplements, beverages, and personal care. The ingredients of Theobroma superfoods are cacao powder, L-lysine HCl, taurine, calcium citrate, magnesium, vitamin C, niacinamide, vitamin E acetate, vitamin B1, B2, B6, ferrous sulfate, zinc sulfate, vitamin A, folic acid, selenium, vitamin D, vitamin B12, maltodextrin, and natural sweetener. Each bottle contains 30 grams. The benefits of its ingredients. Pag-usapan natin kung ano-ano ba yung naibibigay na kabutihan sa ating kalusugan ng bawat lahok nito o yung sangkap ng kakao. Kakao strengthen our immune system. Yan ang pinakamahalaga sa lahat. High levels of antioxidants. Yung taurine helps reduce cholesterol and blood pressure. Ang kanyang lysine reduces stress and blood pressure, improve calcium absorption. Yung calcium citrate naman prevents and treats calcium deficiencies. Vitamin C helps reduce blood uric acid and prevents gout attacks, helps white blood cells function better. Niacinamide is a form of vitamin B3. May slow the progression of type 1 diabetes. Vitamin E helps prevent UV damage to the skin o yung ultraviolet rays. Beneficial for cognitive decline tulad ng Alzheimer's. Folic acid protects against certain cancer like breast, gut, lung, and pancreas. Vitamin D3 maintains health of bones and teeth. The B complex, B1 or thiamine helps convert nutrients into energy. B2 or riboflavin helps convert food into energy and also act as an antioxidant. Pyridoxine or B6 helps in red blood cells production and the creation of neurotransmitters. The cobalamin, B12, improves mood and the symptoms of depression. Ferrous sulfate treats iron deficiency anemia. Vitamin A reduces risk of certain cancers like Hodgkin's lymphoma, cervical, lung, and bladder cancer. Zinc sulfate, beneficial in reducing the duration of severity of common colds. Selenium helps defend the body from chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Helps prevent mental decline and improve memory loss in people with Alzheimer's disease. The health benefits of our Theobroma superfoods: it strengthens the immune system, the most important one. Helps regulate cholesterol, improves digestive system, increases stamina, and energy, helps protect liver and heart, helps improve vitality and sexual potency, promotes nerve, muscles, and bone health, helps improve fat and protein metabolism, helps prevent osteoporosis, helps prevent cataract and glaucoma. So, prevention po ito ng cataract kapag kakaroon ng cataract ha. Pero pag may cataract na, syempre, hindi na yon. Prevention lang tayo kung wala pa kayong cataract dahil kung lagi kayong umiinom ng Theobroma superfood, nape-prevent yung pagkakaroon ng cataract o glaucoma. Also helps burn fats para dun sa mga nagpapapayat, promotes faster wound healing para dun sa mga may gangrene, yung mga may diabetic na maraming sugat o nasugatan ka, na-operan ka, nagasgas ka, whatever, mabilis yung kanyang paggaling dahil meron siyang stem cell effect. Helps produce the risk of prostate cancer, promotes healthy skin, hair, nails, and bones. The Theobroma coffee mix. Ang ingredients: cacao powder, green coffee, green tea extract, Garicus mushroom, stevia, L-carnitine, seaweed, white kidney beans, Garcinia cambogia, and gymnema. For every box contains 12 sachets, and for every sachet contains 15 grams. Ang benefits ng bawat ingredients, pag-usapan natin. Ang kanyang green coffee. Green coffee burns or melts visceral fats. Visceral fat is a fat that wraps around your abdominal organs deep inside your body. You can always feel or see it. In fact, you may have pretty fat tummy and still have visceral fats. That's sometimes called toffee or thin outside and fat inside. Yun po yung fat na nakabalatay sa ating organs tulad ng balon-balunan ng manok kapag bumibili kayo. Yung mga taba-taba na nakabalot dun sa balon-balunan, yun po ang visceral fats. Meron din po tayo nun, hindi lang yung mga manok o kaya yung animals, no? Green tea. Green tea is anti-cancer, improves heart health, anti-inflammatory, assists oral health benefits, control cholesterol buildup, helps in stress management. Ang agaricus mushroom, also an anti-cancer, good for type 2 diabetes, good for high cholesterol, good for people with arteriosclerosis or yung pagtigas ng mga ugat or arteries. Yung mga taong merong ongoing liver disease like chronic hepatitis, maganda siya for bloodstream disorders, nakakatulong din sa ating digestive problems. Ang ibang gamit, prevention of heart diseases, weakened bones or osteoporosis, stomach ulcers, boost immune system, and for physical and emotional stress. Ang L-carnitine is an amino acid. It converts fat into energy. Important for heart and brain functions, muscle movements, and others. Can improve red blood cells counts during dialysis and for cardio concerns. Good for male fertility because it increases sperm counts and sperm movements. good for ladies with PCOS or polycystic ovary syndrome. It increases ovulation too. And it's also an appetite suppressant. Ang seaweeds, o yung lato, contains iodine and tyrosine that supports thyroid function. Source of vitamins and minerals, source of amino acid, contains a variety of protective antioxidants, provides fiber and polysaccharide that can support your gut health, may help you lose weight by delaying hunger and reducing weight, may reduce heart disease risk, may help reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes by improving blood sugar control. Meron siyang flavonoid, syempre. Improves skin tone and pigmentation, supporting collagen production and helping to smooth out wrinkles. Stevia. Ito yung ating sugar substitute. Hindi po tayo gumagamit ng table sugar. Ang benefits ng stevia lowers blood pressure, good blood sugar levels, and fights diabetes. Reduces risk of pancreatic cancer and oral and skin health. Controls weight and aids special group of people tulad ng pregnant and nursing women, the children and people with allergies or diabetes are those who need it more. For allergies and counterattacks risk of diabetes and prevents cancer. Garcinia cambogia is an appetite suppressant, helps in weight loss management, lowers cholesterol and triglycerides, can quickly energize the body for cardio health, increases metabolism, inhibits production of new fats, burns existing fats, and converts into energy. Ayan. Gymnema. Gymnema is a destroyer of sugar. It reduces sugar cravings by making sweet foods taste less appealing. At lower blood sugar levels, considered to have anti-diabetic properties, may contribute to favorable insulin levels by increasing insulin production. Improves cholesterol and triglyceride levels, reducing heart disease risk, may aid in weight loss, helps reduce inflammation. The white kidney beans helps in losing weight by blocking carbohydrates absorption. It's also a source of protein. It has the highest composition of fiber, reduce the risk of colorectal cancer, improve bowel efficiency and regularity, can improve heart health. Rich in dietary fiber, source of vitamins B1, B6, and folate, source of minerals like iron, potassium, chromium, selenium. Also regulates blood glucose, beneficial for diabetic people. Our Theobroma black coffee mix. Ang ingredients: instant coffee powder, brown seaweed powder, of course, cocoa powder. Theobroma black coffee mix is the perfect combination of coffee and cacao. Black coffee Theobroma mix has numerous health benefits as it is loaded with antioxidants and nutrients. It is scientifically proven to make you smarter, fights depression. Our liver loves black coffee. Helps in weight loss, decreases diabetes risk kasi wala rin siyang sugar, and improves cardiovascular health. Our digestive enzymes. Gastrointestinal discomfort, or GD, is a common disorder that affects 40% of the adult population worldwide. In recent years, significant lifestyle changes caused an increase of gastroesophageal reflux disease, or GERD. GERD, also known as gastroesophageal reflux disease, acid reflux, and or heartburn, is a condition in which the acidified liquid content of the stomach backs up into the esophagus. When reflux stomach acid touches the lining of the esophagus, it may cause a burning sensation in the chest or throat called heartburn or acid indigestion. Less commonly, the acid refluxes all the way up into the throat and food or acid can be tasted in the mouth. The health benefits of F2 and digestive enzymes helps balance the gut microbiome in those suffering from gastrointestinal disorders. Supports the reduction of Helicobacter pylori, which is a bacteria that can cause gastritis and peptic ulcers. Helps improve relief from stomach discomfort caused by Helicobacter pylori, such as bloating, gas, diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, or abdominal pain. Support the breakdown of food, making these nutrients bioavailable to our bodies. Protects and maintains the stomach mucosal lining. Relieves acid reflux, stomach pain, ulcers, and chronic gastric discomfort. Helps digestion, relieve pain, and reduce inflammation. Helps maintain a healthy stomach environment. The Theobroma juice. Ito yung mga ingredients. Spray-dried guayabano fruit powder, cacao powder, guayabano leaf powder, glutathione, at collagen. For every box, meron siyang 10 sachets. And for every sachet contains 15 milligrams. Grams. Ang benefit ng bawat ingredient. Guayabano fruit and leaf powder, scientifically and traditionally proven to have great natural benefits. Has high flavonoid content. Flavonoids are phytochemicals that inhibit or even prevent the growth of viruses, carcinogens, and allergens. Can safely prevent cancer cells from forming while effectively slowing down tumor growth. Helps lower fever, spasms, heart rate, and blood pressure. Helps relieve pain, inflammation, and asthma. Rich in carbohydrates, dietary fiber, vitamin C, B1, and B2. Helps stop growth of harmful bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. Stimulates digestion and stops convulsion. Glutathione, a powerful antioxidant, prevents cancer progression, reduces cell damage in the liver diseases, improves insulin sensitivity, reduces symptoms of Parkinson's disease, helps in detoxification of our body, helps boost our immune system, gives increased energy, and repairs damaged DNA. Collagen, it is the most plentiful protein in our body. One of the major building blocks of bones, skin, muscles, tendons, and ligaments. It plays a role as tissue development. Also found in many other body parts like blood vessels, corneas, and teeth. Can help improve skin elasticity, can increase density in bones, and also strengthens blood vessels. The health benefits of theobroma juice helps burn fats, aids in lowering blood pressure, helps improve mental alertness and concentration, helps control glucose and cholesterol, helps prevent cancer, urinary tract infections, leg cramps, and constipation. It assists in detoxification process, helps improve liver and kidneys, improves skin elasticity. Our theobroma virtud. The ingredients are maca root extract, L-arginine, cocoa, ginkgo biloba, and toccat ali. 2 capsules per sleeve, and each capsule contains 600 milligrams. The benefits of its ingredients. The maca root powder, it enhances memory, reduces depression, balances hormones, improves fertility, increases libido, increases energy, better stamina, stress reliever, regulates thyroid function, also helps with ladies with PMS, menopause, and PCOS. L-arginine, growth hormones serve test, reducing high blood pressure, correcting inborn errors of urea synthesis, treating heart disease, treating erectile dysfunction for males, easing inflammation of the digestive tract in premature infants, controlling blood sugar in people with diabetes. The ginkgo biloba. It fights asthma, improves blood circulation, restores memory, boosts sex life, melts anxiety, skin glow, improves glaucoma, improves tinnitus, yung ringing of the ear, unclogs the arteries, and avoid macular degeneration. Ang tongkat ali, it burns fast for stronger bones. It stimulates muscle growth. It enhances endurance, increases libido and sexual function, reduces blood sugar levels, increases metabolism, increases in overall physical condition, increases energy. Ang health benefits boost male fertility and improves sperm quality, improves sexual drive, helps improve blood circulation, increases stamina and energy, helps protect the brain from damage, improves bone health, improves cognitive ability. We also have Theobroma Beauty Bar Soap. Ang ingredients, Theobroma extract, refined coconut oil, cocoa diethanolamide, glutathione, kojic, collagen, glycerine, shea butter at walnut scrub. Ang beauty bar benefits, it moisturizes the skin, leaves skin softer and smoother, helps lighten skin blemishes, helps exfoliate and clean clogged pores, provides ultraviolet protection, also good for male and female use. The Theobroma toothpaste. Ang active ingredients, cacao powder, tea tree oil, fluoride, mint flavor, and stevia. Health benefits, helps remove plaque, freshens breath with maximum allowable fluoride protection, paraben-free. Yun po ay isang uri ng preservatives na hindi na pinagagamit, binaban na po yan sa USA, Japan, Canada, and some parts of Europe on children's products. SLS-free, sodium lauryl sulfate can be harmful if swallowed and may cause eye, lung, and respiratory irritation. So, yung ating toothpaste, pwede po siyang malulon ng mga babies kasi ang mga babies hindi naman nagdudura ng yung resinous toothpaste dahil wala siyang sodium lauryl sulfate at saka paraben. So, very healthy po. Safe siya sa ating mga babies. Theobroma vitamin C, or your daily protection in fighting infections. Ingredients, syempre cocoa powder, sodium ascorbate, and zinc gluconate. Gentle on the stomach and non-acidic form of vitamin C. Recommended uses, take 1 capsule daily or as prescribed by a physician, can be taken on an empty stomach without experiencing hyperacidity. Health benefits, helps maintain healthy tissues in the body, reduces the duration and severity of common colds, supports cardiovascular and circulatory health, help boost and strengthen the immune system, maganda siya i-combine dun sa ating Theobroma Superfood. Provides powerful antioxidants, support for protection against harmful free radicals. Stimulates collagen production to slow down the aging process in the skin. It contains cacao powder. Ito lang po ang vitamin C na may cacao powder. Known for its high antioxidant properties, helps regulate cholesterol, blood pressure, helps uplift mood and improve memory and cognitive abilities, and many more. Vitamin C saves cells. Diabetes itself doesn't kill people, but those nasty complications such as heart disease and blindness can make things rough. And that's where vitamin C comes in. Study shows that vitamin C helps prevent the sugar inside cells from converting to sorbitol. It's a sugar control alcohol, a sugar alcohol that cells can neither burn for energy nor move out. Vitamin C can also be effective in diminishing the damage to proteins caused by free radicals. In study, researchers the red blood cells level of sorbitol in people with type 1 diabetes dropped from double the normal amount to normal after they took 100 or 600 milligrams of vitamin C a day for 58 days. So, in summary, yung ating Theobroma Superfood plus lahat ng beverages, products, yung ating mga vitamins, nakakatulong mula ulo hanggang paa. At dahil ito ay walang chemicals, so lahat ng mga panghihina ng katawan, natutukoy niya, no? Nakakatulong siya ng malaki sa ating katawan. Hindi na kailangan ituro pa, walang kanya-kanyang gamot, ika nga, tulad sa orthodox physicians, sa hospitals, yung mga doctors natin, pag may ubo ka, re-required ka mag-x-ray, tapos doon ka bibigyan ng gamot para sa lungs mo, doon sa ubo mo, o yung daming mong plema. Tapos, bibigyan ka pa ng antibiotics. Pagka nag-allergy ka, papalitan lang yung synthetic medicine, but then, yun lang yung tinutukoy nung medicine na binigay sa'yo nung physician mo. Pero yung ating superfood at saka combine mo dun sa vitamin C, mula ulo hanggang paa, lahat ng mahihinang parte ng katawan mo, ng muscles and organs, ng nerve, lahat ng dadaanan nung superfood at vitamin C na ugat mula ulo hanggang paa, pati kuko at balat at ngipin, pinalalakas, inaayos. Okay? So, hindi ka lugi. Ang ating words of wisdom for tonight, the most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you found out why. Ang pinakamagandang araw po ng ating buhay ay yung ating kapanganakan. Ayan. At yung araw na malalaman mo bakit ka iniluwal sa mundong ito. Yun po ay kasabihan na binigay ni Nikola Tesla. Kaya pag-isipan po natin, ano nga ba ang dahilan bakit tayo nasa mundong ito? Para lang ba magkasakit? Para gumastos? O para makatulong? So, to God be the glory and salamat po.
Yan, maraming salamat po, Doc Sen. Talagang napakaganda yung presentation at malinaw po ang iyong pagpapaliwanag, lalo na doon sa ating mga produkto ng F2N Marketing So siguro tignan nga natin po kung may katanungan yung ating mga coaches and mga attendee. Meron dito si Coach J. No, bago ba yan? Bago po ba? Member na po ba si Coach J? Ayan, o J ang pangalan. Mukhang bago sa ngayon. Anyone from sa atin lahat, kung may katanungan po, pwede po kayong mag-comment at basahin natin. Si Coach Ruth, andito po. Andito po ba si Coach Cruz? Ruth, baka meron kang katanungan, pwede kang mag-type po dyan. Paano ba mag-pin? I-pin natin si... paano mag-pin? Pin natin si Doc Sen and add pin. Yan. Okay.
Walang tanong? So,
mukhang malinaw na malinaw yata.
malinaw. Sana naman nga malinaw kasi hindi tayo nagmamadali, no?
Opo.
Ito, maganda rin kung meron silang mga katanungan para lalo na doon sa mga
Opo.
baguhan.
Si pwede nating tanungin si Coach J kung ito ba ay member na or ano yung naintindihan niya doon sa si Coach G. Okay, andito si Coach Ruth, baka may itatanong. Coach Ruth, meron po ba tayong itatanong?
Late naman dumating si Coach Susan.
Coach Susan.
Late nang dumating.
Announcement, baka meron din pong announcement habang naghihintay ng magtatanong. Coach Chris, baka may announcement.
Coach Su, good evening.
Yeah.
Buti nakaabot ka. Nakaabot ka sa question and answer.
Oo nga po eh. Ayan po yung mga trio, anong tawag sa inyo? Trio? Trio Marias? Ganun po ba?
Tres Marias.
Tres Marias. Kumusta po yung presentation? Sa Maynila po yun, no? Coach Susan, Coach Grace?
Ano lang naman yon, free tasting lang yon, tapos nag-build up lang tayo ng Tapos parang kami ng presentation separate.
Oo, tama.
Retirees yon ng mga
Coach, saan ginawa yan sa Maynila?
Sa NPD yon, Northern Police District. Nung nakaraan sa Manila Police District. Kasi ikot namin.
Sinasabay nyo ba sa Sinasabay nyo sa may okasyon sila?
May talaga yung caravan yon. Kasi may konta kami doon, yung major. Siya yung may hawak ng mga retirees.
Tama po yon. Parang for awareness yung ginagawa po ninyo.
Yun. Tsaka tayo lang yung nandoon. F2N lang yun. Walang ibang company.
Congrats.
Maganda. At least nagbibuild kayo ng
Opo kasi may mga gustong matutunan yung produkto, tsaka yung negosyo. So, i-coordinate lang namin doon sa mga yung namamahala doon sa kada district. Ganun.
Coach Mary, Coach Mary, andito pa na si Coach Mary. Ayun, baka may itatanong po kayo. Coach Tess. Opo, andito. Huwag po kayong mahiya. Pagkakataon na, andito tayo sa Q&A po portion.
Saka wala namang bayad ang tanong.
Opo. Yun po yung pinakamaganda eh. Walang bayad po talaga ito. Talagang binigay po ng company ito na free talaga para sa mga members at kahit hindi members para sa mga guests, no? Pwede po.
Nag-observe. Okay, so kung wala na pong tanong,
alam na this.
Alam na this. May natutunan po ba sila? Type 2, kung meron po kayo natutunan.
Tingnan natin kung nasa harap sila ng computer.
Dalawa.
Doc, may anos lang ako, Doc.
Okay po, sige po, sir.
Ayan, so share screen ko lang po. Okay, so this coming October 25 po, meron po tayong leadership training once again. Ang ating pong speaker si Sir Nino Materdo. So it's time no para sa mga leader naman po ang focus natin. So attend po tayo no para alam po mas maging pa tayo kung paano natin mapupukusan pa yung ating pagka-leader in front of our client. So, this coming 25 po, wala naman po itong it's October 25, 1:30 p.m. po, Victoria 1, sa ating pong head office. So, ayun po, may release, I believe meron din po itong releasing ng check, so October 25. And then, ang pinakaabangan po ng lahat, ang ating pong launch ng promo. So, I believe nakapaglabas na po kami ng teaser ng poster nito. So, October 25 din po iyon. So, ano po tayo? Sa October 25 is punong-puno po kami ng surprise. And
Yun,
then, by tomorrow, announce ko na din po, ang schedule po namin is from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. only. Once again po, ang schedule po namin tomorrow is 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. only po. Paki-advise na lang po yung mga client natin downline, baka po may mag-visit sa office ng 3 p.m. onwards. Close na po kami noon dahil po meron po kaming monthly pest control. So,
That's nice.
and then, December 6 natin given year-end celebration. Parang year-end party po natin to sa F2N head office. Maraming salamat po. Have a blessed weekend. Thank you.
Ayan, thank you po,
Thank
Coach.
you, Sir Patrick, for
Patrick.
the good announcement.
So,
siguro, pwede na tayong magpahinga kung wala ng ibang announcements. Sana by Monday, marami po tayong next week, syempre Monday and Wednesday yung ating BOM. Tapos every Friday po meron tayong IPT at BPO. Alternate po yun. Sa IPT, iba't ibang uri ng sakit ang ating tatalakayin na natutulungan ng F2N, Theobromous Superfood at vitamin C at yung ibang mga vitamins natin, mga beverages, nakakatulong din yan dahil meron silang pampababa ng stress, lalo pagka ngayon na pasukan or yung mga bata may mga exam, na-stress ang mga nanay, ang tatay, si ate, si kuya, so kapi-kapi lang tayo para makaiwas sa sipon at ubo, yung ating superfood at vitamin C.
Vitamin C.
Kumain po ninyo. At kumbaga, two heads are better than one, sabi nga. Lalo na dun sa mga may malalang karamdaman. Huwag niyong panghinayangan yung pagbili ng superfood at vitamin C. Kasi mas mahirap po kung tayo ay nakalagay na sa kahon. Mas magastos yun. At ang masakit nun, hindi na kayo makakasama ng pamilya nyo, ng mga loved ones nyo. So, before you kick the bucket, sabi nga, to avoid kicking the bucket, di ayusin mo yung katawan mo, ayusin mo yung health mo habang may hininga pa, sabi nga, may pag-asa. Andyan naman po ang Panginoon, huwag kayong mahihiyan ng mga pizza Diyos. Pwede po tayong humingi ng tulong na hipuin kayo, tapos bigyan kayo ng pambili ng ating superfood para mas mabilis ang inyong paglakas. Okay. So, that's it for tonight. Thank you, Coach Lakay, for supporting me. At lahat po ng mga umattend ngayong gabi, maraming salamat po sa 14,000 na viewers natin. I hope by next week, mas marami pa po tayo, okay? Thank you, Coach.
Okay, so maraming salamat po muli, Doc Coach Sen, sa malinaw na paliwanag sa orientation tungkol sa mga ating mga product. At muli, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Ingat lagi, stay healthy at magkita-kita muli tayo sa susunod na next Zoom. So, be blessed po sa ating lahat. next week.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye po.
Your successful future lies within your hands. We provide quality and simplicity. Start today for a brighter tomorrow. Be prepared to be up high and celebrate. Come feel the vibe. We'd have to win for a better, healthy, successful family. Aim high, we'd have to win your company and family. Aim high, we'd have to win. We can make a better future for you. Believe and achieve, for we are a team. Your opportunities are priority. Aim high, we'd have to win your company and family. Aim high, we'd have to win. We can make a better future for you. Believe and achieve, for we are a team. Your opportunity is our priority.